So consider the differential equation. D squared x over dt squared plus 3 dx over dt plus 2x equals fx. So fx is equal sign x. So a, linearize about x equals 0. So x sub 0 equals 0. And m equals d f of x divided by dx equals cosine x of x equals 0 equals 1. F of x0 equals f0 equals sine 0 equals 1. So f of x equals f of x0 plus m delta x equals delta x. And so put x equals x0 plus delta x equals delta x. And in dA, d squared times delta x over dt squared plus 3 times d delta x equals I divided by dt plus 2 delta x equals delta x. And d squared times delta x over dt squared plus 3 times the delta times delta x over dt plus delta x is 0. So we have here the final. B, linearize about x equals pi. M equals d of x divided by dx equals cosine x, and x equals pi equals negative 1. F of x0 equals f times pi equals sine pi equals 0. So f of x equals f of x plus m delta x equals negative delta x in dE. In dE, d squared times delta plus d squared times pi plus delta x divided by dt squared plus 3 d times pi plus delta x over dt plus 2 times delta plus delta x equals negative delta x. So or d squared delta x divided by d squared times delta x divided by dt squared plus 3 d delta x divided by dt plus 3 delta x equals negative 2 pi. So here is our final answer in B.